Q5655, which is true with respect to vortex circulation in the wake turbulence generated by an aircraft. A. Helicopters generate downwash turbulence only, not vortex circulation. B. The vortex strength is greatest when the generating aircraft is heavy, clean, and slow. C. When vortex circulation sinks into ground effect, it tends to dissipate rapidly and offer little danger. The correct answer is B. The weight, speed, and wing form of the generating aircraft all affect the vortex's strength. When the generating aircraft is heavy, clean, and slow, the strongest vortices form. 5053. Given, glider's maximum certificated operating weight is 1,140 pounds. Towline braking strength is 3,050 pounds, which meets the requirement for one of the safety links. A braking strength of A. 812 pounds installed where the towline is attached to the towplane. B. 912 pounds installed where the towline is attached to the glider. C. 2,300 pounds installed where the towline is attached to the glider. The correct answer is B. The safety link between the towline and the glider must have a braking strength between 10% and twice the glider's maximum operating weight, or between 912 and 2,280 pounds. There must be a glider towline safety link that is stronger than the towplane towline safety connection, which in this case cannot be less than 912 pounds. 5054. During aero-tow of a glider that weighs 940 pounds, which tow rope tensile strength would require the use of safety links at each end of the rope. A. 752 pounds. B. 1,500 pounds. C. 2,000 pounds. The correct answer is C. In this situation, a towline with a braking strength of up to 1,880 pounds may be utilized without safety links because it is twice as heavy as the glider. 5277. That portion of the glider's total drag created by the production of lift is called A. Induced drag, and is not affected by changes in airspeed. B. Induced drag, and is greatly affected by changes in airspeed. C. Parasite drag, and is greatly affected by changes in airspeed. The correct answer is B. When a sailplane gains lift, an equal and opposite downward force acts on the air, which then moves in a typically downward direction. This requires energy, and the fact that energy is transferred from the sailplane to the air indicates that there is drag on the glider. Induced drag is the name given to this portion of overall drag. The square of the variation in the induced drag is inversely proportional to the square of the speed. 5278. The best L/D ratio of a glider occurs when parasite drag is A. Equal to induced drag. B. Less than induced drag. C. Greater than induced drag. The correct answer is A. The reason the best L/D ratio of a glider occurs when parasite drag is equal to induced drag is due to the aerodynamic principles involved in gliding flight. Parasite drag is the resistance caused by factors such as form drag, related to the shape of the glider, and skin friction drag, related to the friction between the air and the glider's surface. Induced drag, on the other hand, is the resistance generated as a result of the production of lift. In gliding, the objective is to minimize drag while maximizing lift. When parasite drag is equal to induced drag, it means that the glider is experiencing the minimum total drag. At this point, any further reduction in parasite drag would result in an increase in induced drag, leading to a decrease in the overall L/D ratio. Therefore, the best L/D ratio occurs when parasite drag is equal to induced drag, indicating an optimal balance between these two types of drag to achieve the greatest efficiency and longest gliding range.